Welcome back to our channel. There are many exceptional multiple-purpose cleaners that you can purchase ready to use or in a concentrated formula. So, let's take a look at some of the best cleaning liquids for detailing that will do a great job cleaning and are safe for most surfaces. Today in this video, Automotive Care picks 5 best all-purpose cleaner for 2021. We did put together these products in list and mentioned their links in the description box. Now let's get started. Number 5, 303 Car All-Purpose Cleaner. 303 Car All-Purpose Cleaner is a great cleaner for all of the surfaces of your vehicle. It is gentle and safe, but still has the strength to clean away tough stains. It lifts dirt from the surface when sprayed on, and wipes off residue-free. This formula also helps repel dust and dirt, and leaves a clean natural appearance on the surface after using. 303 All-Purpose Cleaner is safe and effective on vinyl, plastic, rubber, leather, fabrics or upholstery, carpets, glass, and even LCD screens. The product can be sprayed directly onto surface, or onto a clean microfiber towel. Then just wipe or scrub surface to remove dirt or stain. It safely cleans any surface and it's residue-free. Number 4, Carfident Ultimate All-Purpose Cleaner. Ultimate All-Purpose Cleaner will leave your interior spotless and looking like new. You can safely use it to clean leather seats, cloth and fabric seats, carpets and mats, upholstery, dashboards, vinyl, and plastic. Simply spray it on, and wipe off with the included microfiber towel. Use it as a cleaner and engine degreaser for a professional detailed look. Or use it as bug and tar remover, bird poop cleaner and any other contaminants that sit on your paint. You can even use it to clean your wheels and tires, exhaust tips, and exterior trim pieces. Ultimate Car Cleaner was designed to be tough but gentle. Your interior will simply be clean without any unwanted cleaning agent smells or fake fresh scents. Likewise, the formula is completely clear-cut safe so you can use it on your painted surfaces without worry. Number 3, Chemical Guys All Clean Plus Cleaner. All Clean Plus ships at full strength and can be diluted to clean any automotive surface inside or out. You can clean carpets, tires, plastics, and engine bay parts with one advanced super cleaner. When used as directed, the high-tech citrus-based cleaning formula removes filth and dirt without changing the surface texture or look on plastics, metals, paints, carpets, cloths or rubber surfaces. All Clean Plus is blended with foaming technology for a deep cleaning on any surface. Foam spreads into cracks and crevices to remove dirt and grime from hard-to-reach places. With All Clean Plus, the fresh citrus scent makes detailing your vehicle a pleasant experience. The natural odor elimination enzymes help destroy foul odors at their source and restoring a fresh clean smell inside any automobile. Second last, Shine Armor All-Purpose Cleaner. It is formulated using the latest nanotechnology. This all-purpose cleaner solvent effectively cleans and washes away dirt, grime and dust off all interior car surfaces, including leather, trim, pleather, rug, headliner, rubber, carpet, vinyl, flooring, canvas, cloth, plastic, upholstery, fabric seats and stains. Super fast and better than a matte carpet shampoo. This all-purpose cleaner supplies and accessories are simple to use. Just spray cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the surface, then wipe residue away with a second clean microfiber cloth. You can repeat every 4 to 6 weeks to keep your interior looking brand new. The new advanced formula, all-purpose cleaner has anti-static properties that prevents dust from settling and sticking to your interior. It keeps that new car smell and your factory finish looking fresh with the all-purpose cleaner protectant and solvent. And the last we listed, Car Guys All-Purpose Cleaner. Car Guys Premium Series Super Cleaner was made to replace the multiple cleaner bottles in your cabinet. This newly formulated all-purpose cleaner is made with the newest advancements in nanotechnology to effectively lift away dirt and grime at the molecular level. No more wasting time and energy with old science and technology. This multi-surface product works on absolutely every interior or exterior surface except glass and delicate instrument panel screens. That means this one product will clean up upholstery, fabric, canvas, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, bird poop, grease, tree sap, metals, wood trim and so much more. Use a working towel or brush for agitation and a separate finishing towel for wiping and drying. Spray the product directly onto the surface to be cleaned and agitate with your working towel or brush. These 5 are the best all-purpose cleaner for car. You can choose anyone for your use. For more information about all these cleaners, visit to the links in the description box. Please like the video, share your ideas in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for the next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, goodbye.